welcome back. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. Today I am going to be doing a Dutch pour on an 18 by 24 inch canvas here. I was just looking for my gloves, so unprepared, but I'm going to be working on a white base background, and the colors I'm using today are just going to be metallic silver by Deco Art, Folk Art, silver metallic Folk Art, by Deco Art, steel blue, and I'm just going to be using some black paint as well, and that's Artist Lofts. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing, just those few little colors there. And I will also, for detail, like I always do, I use my little blower here, and the link for this, as always, will be in the description from where I get this from. So I'm just going to go ahead, prep the board, and I'll be right back. I know I never mention this when I'm doing my pours. I don't use silicone oil as much. I use them when I do my swipes, but it's rare that I will use silicone in any of my paintings. I do love the effects of silicone. I just don't use it that much. But when I do, I will always let you guys know that that's what I'm doing. Also, I don't really get into the ratios of what I use when I mix my paints, because I'm just one of those type of people who just kind of go with the feel of it, the flow. If it feels right, then to me it is right. But right now, lately, I've just been mixing it with water and glue all. Again, like I said, not the school glue, but the glue all. And sometimes I don't even use that. It's just water and paint. But yeah, it works for me. You've seen my paintings, and you know, they look pretty decent, I think. So yeah, that's what I do. I just want to let you guys know that. Well, here it is, guys. It looks so pretty. I'm so happy with it. So happy with the way this turned out. The black, the silver, the steel blue, which is the steel blue is like a deep bluish silver, maybe. It's beautiful. It all looked good together on this white background. So I'm definitely going to do these colors again very, very soon. Let me know what you think about how it turned out in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the description for the mini blower. That mini blower is a lifesaver. No more straws for me. No more getting paint all over my chest and my clothes. Bending over trying to blow with a straw. And it's a little annoying. But anyway, I will leave that link in the description for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I really, really appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when I'm uploading. And take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.